Are you wondering what to do if your smoke detector still keeps chirping, even if you insert a completely fresh and good battery in it? So there are a few different things that you can do. First, when you are changing your battery, remove your old battery first, and then what you have to do is you simply have to press the test button, or whatever the button is that can make it test itself, and hold it for maybe like 20 or 30 seconds. Essentially, these units actually have a bit of like energy left inside them, even after you disconnect the battery for a short brief. So we simply want to properly discharge it before actually putting in a new battery, and that will also kind of reset it as well. So literally maybe for half a minute, for a minute maybe on some, depending on the model, and only then you actually insert your battery inside. Okay. Then the next thing, also on some models, even if you do this, even if you insert the battery, on some models it actually will still keep chirping for additional 10 minutes. So for example, on this key it even says only 10 minutes. So again, when I first got it, I couldn't even understand why it's chirping like this when it's installed. So it was highly annoying. So you simply have to wait 10 minutes and then it will like stop chirping. So again, maybe you have different brand, maybe it's not like that. Also, some of these smoke detectors actually have like a date when they actually expire. So for example, you see this is a date on this one, and again basically on some of them, basically these more high-end ones, essentially they have internal like circuit that actually basically is aware basically that the smoke detector is expired and you should replace it. So maybe simply check the date. If you just insert the battery, it still keeps chirping, but the date is actually expired. That probably means you simply have to replace your smoke detector as they have expiration date, and that why also it maybe is chirping. Okay, good luck.